Right now, there's a bill sitting somewhere in your house that's charging you more money than it should every single year. And I'm not talking about your electric bill. I'm talking about your Florida property tax bill. And here's what really gets me fired up. The state of Florida literally created extra property tax exemptions specifically to help seniors stay in their homes. Yet data from the property appraiser offices suggests that roughly 87% of eligible seniors never claim them. That means most people who qualify are simply paying more than they have to. Nobody told them, nobody followed up, nobody reminded them. And in housing and finance, I say this all the time. No one is coming to save you. You have to know what benefits exist and go claim them. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how the senior property tax exemptions in Florida actually work. Who qualifies, the exact steps to apply, and a powerful third exemption almost nobody knows about that could reduce a huge portion of your tax bill. And stay with me until the end because I'm also going to show you how this connects to something called portability, which can save seniors tens of thousands if they move. My name is Emmett Dempsey. I'm with Treasure Coast Mortgage here in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I've been helping Florida homeowners since 2007, and one of the most common things I see is people leaving money on the table simply because no one explained the system to them clearly. So let's fix that right now. All right, first, we need to start with the foundation. Florida's basic homestead exemption. This reduces the taxable value of your primary residence by up to $50,000. The first $25,000 applies to all property taxes. The second portion applies to non-school taxes once your assessed value is above $50,000. In simple terms, if your home was assessed at $200,000, you may only be taxed on roughly $150,000 of that value. Depending on your county's tax rate, that can mean saving hundreds to over $1,000 every single year. Most seniors already have this. They filed when they bought the home and assume that was the end of the story, right? But it's not. There is a second exemption specifically for seniors age 65 and older. And this is where most people miss out. Some Florida counties and cities allow an additional homestead exemption, often up to another $50,000 reduction in assessed value. That means in certain areas, you can reduce taxable value by $100,000 or more, guys. That's pretty awesome. That can create very meaningful long-term savings. But here's the catch. This exemption is not automatic. It requires a separate application. And it also has an income requirement that is adjusted each year by the Florida Department of Revenue. For 2026, the household income limitation is about $38,686. And here's something many people don't realize. If Social Security is your primary income and you're not required to file a federal tax return, that income may not count the same way toward the limit. This is why it's worth checking instead of assuming you don't qualify. So here is your step-by-step action plan. Step 1. Pull out your most recent property tax bill and look at the exemption section. If you don't see homestead listed, stop everything and fall for that first. This is the foundation for all other benefits, and it happens a lot, guys, a lot more than you think. Step 2. Check your household income. Look at your most recent tax return or your Social Security statement. If your adjusted income is under the current limit, you may qualify for the additional senior exemption. Step 3. Contact your county property appraiser's office, not the tax collector, the property appraiser. Okay? Ask what senior exemptions are available in your county and what documents they need. Usually, you'll need proof of age, proof of residency, and income documentation. Most counties allow online filing, and some allow in-person help. For many homeowners, this entire process takes about less than 30 minutes. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. There's a third layer in certain areas called the long-term residency senior exemption. If you've lived in your homestead home for at least 25 years, or age 65 or older, meet income limits, and your home value is below certain thresholds, some counties allow an exemption that can eliminate the county portion of your property taxes entirely. Not everywhere, not automatic, but it's pretty powerful. This is why calling your local property appraiser matters. Ask specifically whether they have adopted the long-term residency exemption and what you need to apply. Now let me clear up two very common concerns. First, this has nothing to do with your Social Security or Medicare benefits. These exemptions are handled at the state and local level. Second, if your taxes are paid through your mortgage escrow account, the savings still reduce your monthly payment once your servicer recalculates the escrow. So yes, the benefit is real. There is also something called Save Our Homes. This limits how much your assessed value can rise each year, typically to 3% of the rate of inflation. If you ever move within Florida, you may be able to transfer some or all of that tax benefit to your new home. That's called portability. It's pretty powerful. It's incredibly valuable for seniors who are downsizing or relocating. So here's the bottom line. The state created these benefits so seniors on fixed incomes can stay in their homes. But the system requires you to take action. So this week, pull out your property tax bill, check your exemptions, call your county property appraiser, ask what you qualify for. 30 minutes of effort can save you hundreds of dollars every year as long as you own your home. And if you want to understand how housing wealth can also be accessed in retirement, including how reverse mortgages actually work, I have a full breakdown video right here. No hype, just real numbers and scenarios. Go ahead and watch that next. And if this video helped you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I've got more practical homeowner strategies coming. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.